So I just spent an hour in the grocery store looking for Chipotle sauce. I went to the grocery store where it's just all, I didn't go to the one that I normally go to, and I should have, but I didn't. They had absolutely nothing Chipotle in there. I want to make the, I don't know how you pronounce it, Polo Loco. It's one of my favorite Mexican dishes. It is Mexican chicken and rice, and it is absolutely phenomenal. And I wanted to try to recreate that today for you guys. No Chipotle sauce. It's okay, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm already up and dressed and ready to go. I am off work for the next, I don't go back to work till, today is Wednesday, I don't go back to work till Monday, so I'm totally excited about that. So I'm up and dressed and cleaned up and ready for my day. Tomorrow's my husband's birthday. So today I'm cooking him a birthday dinner, and he wanted steaks, so that's what we're having, steaks. Yeah, I stopped at McDonald's. But I didn't get my normal scrambled eggs. Got a lot of stuff to do today. I got laundry and I got so much to do today. It's looking pretty cloudy. These are good. Let's do a little sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin review. Look at that. Good. You got your McMuffin, you got your egg and your cheese, and these are really, really good. I'm just hungry this morning. Seems like when you eat late at night, which I didn't eat late at night, but we had probably a late dinner. It was probably about 7:30 when we had dinner last night. It seems like when you eat later like that, you wake up starved to death. So I woke up starved to death, needless to say. But my husband wanted steak. No biggie. I mean, I cook steak all the time, so I think he's just trying to be easy, because when I say we have for dinner tonight, he takes forever to decide. He'll say, well, I picked last night, you picked tonight. I'm like, oh, bullshit, you didn't pick last night. But I haven't bought him anything yet. I don't know what to get him. What do you get a man who has everything? Plus, he just goes and buys stuff when he wants to buy it, so. So I told him, just go ahead and, you know, look you some stuff up on Amazon, buy you some stuff. I'd rather get him stuff that he wants, and we're past, you know, big birthday presents. So he can find him some stuff. I hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful Memorial Day weekend. I had a good Memorial Day weekend. I cooked out Saturday, and actually I have, I did a little bit of filming of it, of my family, my very dysfunctional family. But hey, they're a lot of fun. But I got you a little video coming up. I'll try to get that uploaded today. The grill was amazing. My husband is an amazing chef on the grill. I'd like to get him to, I've tried to get him to, because he thinks that I steal his recipes all the time. And I'm like, no, I don't steal your recipes. I like to have an episode on In the Kitchen with Sandy with In the Kitchen with Sandy and Randy, because that's my husband's name, Randy. That's good. So, trying to think. It's hard to talk with chewing on McMuffin. They're chewy, but this is delicious. But my grocery store haul is very short. I can't believe I spent $115 here, and I didn't get nothing. I got stuff to make the Mexican rice dish that I'm going to make for you guys, and I got steaks. Basically it, and I spent $115. Groceries aren't cheap. I just about go out and sell your ass to buy groceries anymore, I'm telling you. It's so good. delicious. I like to make the egg all a little messy though. So I'm gonna cook today. I'm gonna clean. I got up yesterday morning. My daughter had my kitchen totally clean, which you can't tell now. Look around. That's my grocery bags, but I haven't put my groceries up yet because I had to eat first. But we had a really good Memorial Day. Damn, those things were chewy. But they're very good. Of course, I got my coffee. This is what I went for, but then they had them big billboard signs there, and it showed these big sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin, and they looked amazing, so I had to have one. My puppet's over there. Hey, that's your daddy's stuff you're chewing on. Well, I'm gonna finish this up. This is a very short video, obviously. I'm gonna get my groceries put up. I'm gonna start some laundry. I have a crap ton of laundry to do. McDonald's has the best sausage ever. I'm gonna try to get that video, chew. I'm hungry. I'll try to get the Mexican chicken and rice video uploaded this week too. I got a couple more that I think that I still need to upload. I like to scrape the cheese off the wrapper. I'm weird like that. Oh. Anyway. That was delicious. I wish it got me two. But I'm gonna get my groceries put up. I'm gonna start on my laundry, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. My battery's dying, so have an amazing day, and you know I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.